What's up everyone and welcome to you on the Moonshot channel. Welcome back to you. It's a real pleasure to record this video today. Hope you did nice gains on this market because yes, yeah, we just ride that market like really crazy here. Really crazy with VIPs on the Discord server, for real. I'm not joking at all. I'm going to show that just after this, but of course, we are going to update waves, see possible scenarios here. There is a lot, still a lot. We was in a decisive wave, as I said before, but it's still something that is going to, I mean, we have to confirm some more waves here. I'm going to go through this, in this video. We're going to talk about this. What is going to be to confirm a scenario, what is going to invalidate another scenario extra. We're going to see different possible count here, stay on bigger waves. We're not going to do a smaller wave count. It's not really useful for that. But yeah, we're going to talk about this. So, yeah, as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to turn on notifications if you want to get notified for future videos. If you want to learn Elliott Waves, you're at the right place. And we are not only teaching you Elliott Waves, but the way to become profitable in trading. Really, I'm absolutely not joking. You can ask any VIPs on the Discord server, they're going to tell you that they become profitable in trading, or they are on the way to become profitable in trading. Really, I'm not joking at all. We're using Elliott Waves and MOONCHARTS. Elliott Wave to get the plan, to get the move on the market, and MOONCHARTS to confirm trade entries and to confirm waves. If we're going to continue the wave, we're going to stop the wave, we're going to stop if we have to enter the trade or not. So that's pretty insane. So if you want to join us, you can absolutely join us for free. So for now, there is not a ton of courses for free. There are only 2 courses for free on the website. Simply because I just started, to make more and more courses. So that's for now for VIPs and course subscribers. So you have only 2 courses at the moment, but I'm going to add more further the time. So you can absolutely just click the get started button here for free, and you can just create an account, okay? And you will get all the course on the website here. So you will get the MOONCHARTS course 1, the Elliott Wave course 1 and 2. Okay, for now. Now I'm maybe going to add more later. But if you want to learn Elliott Wave the right way, you're absolutely at the right place, and we are going to provide you the best Elliott Wave services. And when we say the best Elliott Wave services, you have absolutely all you need to know on Elliott Wave. Clearly, not. Yeah, I mean, we have the best services. Clearly, you can go in the about page if you want to know some more about me and some more about MOONCHARTS, and yeah, you can go check out this website. So anyway, let's start with that. So first of all, we was possibly in an ending here, as you remember, here with an ending, okay? So an expanding here, because we have done something like this. We start with smaller wave too, and we create some bigger ones, okay? So it's more likely an ending here. Okay, I'm going to remove some few lines, don't worry about that. So yeah, first of all, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So, by the way, there is some waves here that are completely wrong if we're in this, so, don't know why there is this here, but anyway. So here, if we're in this ending, we have done, I mean, it will mean that we are first of all in this big ABC flat. Okay, if we're in this big ABC flat here, we have to get in the C wave, 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Impulsive, so normal 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or an ending. So in that case, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. A triangle like that, a wedge to the upside, and after that, boom, down pin. Okay. When we do an ending, we can do also not so bigger wave like this to smaller waves, okay? But we can do also some smaller wave here, yeah, some smaller wave to bigger ones, okay? This is also possible. That's called an expanding in that case, and this is also a possible ending that appear, but it's less, I mean, still less common to do, but it's still possible, okay? That's why here this is possible. We're in this. In case we're in this, as always, wave 1, 3, and 5 have to get an ABC zigzag. An A, a B, and a C. I'm going to turn the color of this to gray, light blue like this. It looks good. Inside the wave 1, we have to get a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive or ending or leading. Sorry, in the wave 1. Then we have to get a triple wave, for example, a WXY. I don't know, a W, an X, and a. Oops, my God, what if I get this? I didn't click it the right one. A W here, an X, and a Y. And in the last wave, in the C wave, we have to get an impulsive or an ending here. Okay, these are the smaller wave of the of an ABC zigzag. So 5 ways, triple ways, 5 ways. In the wave 1, we have to get that. In the wave 3, we have to get exactly the same. 5 ways, triple ways, 5 ways. In the wave 5, we have to get exactly the same. in the wave 2 and 4, we can get some different patterns here. So the premise here at the moment, yeah, we bought a dip first of all. Clearly, we clearly bought a dip here. I mean, yeah, you can see that by yourself. We planned that trade for a long moment now, and we first of all got a first touch. If you watched good, you know, on the the first exact touch, and after that we was looking for some other possible targets a bit more down, and we just bounced it exactly on the low here, where I feel personally my long here, and we just did a nice rocket after that. And yeah, before that, as you can see, we just pump it. That was Ethereum, by the way. But anyway, yeah, this long was planned here for a while, here, really for a while, and that was a screenshot when we was here, but we planned already this long when we was already here, because these levels here was already on the chart. Clearly, so there was some support here. By time they became more stronger, so that was more likely these ones. And of course, we planned also the move down here with a possible short. So that was the first short here to take first of all. Then we got a back test of that daily level here. Okay, went through. We just wait for the reaction with a good chart. If there is a good data we want, we open the short. Otherwise, we just let it go and we just enjoy the trend, because it was long from the absolute dollar of that low. As you can see here, that was a long planet for a week before that understood. That's why with the IPs we're just making some insane profit. That's just really insane. Really insane. No, I'm not going to lie. Of course, we planned some other trades, but as always, if there is no good data such as that, we planned to move down. We was looking for a long here or liquidity grab below this low. So just to go below that, make everyone bearish, and after that push it to the upside to grab the liquidity, take the money of the short that was opening on the low. This is not what we did. Thanks to Elliott chart, we didn't feel it that long. That's all. That was a support, a nice support there, but we didn't feel it that long. We got also some longs planned before. If I can show you that. So before that, by the way, on the top here, we was expecting to get that move here. So to reject here. And this is exactly what we did after that. We just rejected. So that's pretty insane. By the way, we feel it when I did that, you know, for VIPs. I also planned the long on the bottom here, and this is exactly at the dollar where we bounced it on that. There's just really just some insane predictions here. I mean, that's why Elliott Waves, if you don't know Elliott Wave, you have to know that, because on the market, this is how a market moves with Elliott Wave. Each move we are going to do on the market is a pattern, Elliott Wave pattern, and pattern by pattern have rules, different rules now than the old one, of course, but they have rules, and with the rules, you're going to be able to predict next move, next waves, extra. For example, wait, let me check that if there is some here. For example, here, as you can see, that was a planned move here, 3, 4, 5, extra. We're going to talk about these waves, okay? But that was the possible waves here. That was possible. So anyway, we're going to talk about that now. Okay, so here, we have the different possibilities. First of all, I'm going to remove that. Okay, if we're in this wave 4 already and we're in the 5, we have to get, because as I said before, in the wave 1, 3, and 5, we have to get an ABC. So here we have to get a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, to do a bigger A wave, to do a B, and then to do a C. We are going to get this wave for now, and also I was able to open that long, and we was aware of, by the way, this morning in a VIP update when we was expecting to do a last push down here. Simply because of targets of the wave, simply because wave target. That's the only reason why we was expecting to come more down here. But as you can see here, we have done to the wave 1. This is not well placed, by the way. I've done the wave 1, the wave 2, the wave 3. So not here, but it was expecting to more down. Simply because here the most common target for a wave 5 is the 161.8. For a wave 3, sorry, oh my god, is the 161 point. On that low here, yes, we feel it along. But the 161 point was not tapped. So we was expecting to go more down here, and went more down, and we clearly bought the dip here, as I showed you. I don't know what we're doing, by the way, at the moment. Yeah, so we clearly bought the dip here, clearly. I mean, yeah, we clearly bought the low of the low here. But yeah, we was expecting to go more down, okay? Now, if we have done the low, so if we check, by the way, on the RSI, first of all, because we have to check on the RSI to find the 5 ways, to help, just to get help to place wave on the chart. So we have the wave 1 to here, the wave 3 lowest reaching on the RSI. So here we count the divergence, okay, for the wave 3, 4, 5. We have to get this divergence normally. Then we're going to do wave 4 that cannot break the wave 2, so you have to pay attention to that. And then we're going to do the wave 5 before that wave 3 low, okay, because before all of these low. We don't take that one, okay, but we take these lows here, I mean that one here, okay, we take the lowest one. To do this wave 4 and 5. If we are in these 5 waves, now there is some possibilities. If you remember good, a wave impulsive here is exactly 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves in the wave 1, 2, and 3. in an ABC zigzag. The A wave have 5 waves, the B wave have a triple correction wave, and the wave 3 or the C wave, sorry, have an impulsive Elliott waves, or an ending, but an impulsive Elliott wave, so 5 waves. It's exactly the same. So here, if we did a correction before WXY, by the way, now for example the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I was with before, we got the invalidation because we broken the wave 1 top, so it's not valid anymore. Okay, so that's pretty nice. Oops. We can be absolutely in a, I mean, for example here WXY, we have done this. We can be absolutely in a bigger W, X, A, B, C, and we're going to push higher from here because we didn't spend a lot of time here, to be honest with you. So it's possible that we do something like that here. Absolutely. Okay. So if we do that, I mean, that's why here we really have to confirm that wave 4 and 5. If we confirm this wave 4 and 5, we're going to be able to expect to be in a bigger A, B, C to write that wave 5, or another possibility here to be in a triangle here. Okay, A, B, C, D, E triangle to move down after that, and to do in that case a bigger A, B, C to do a small really truncated C or double bottom C, I mean double bottom A, B, C. Okay, and then push to the upside for the A, B, C wave here. Okay, I'm going to draw that. So here, 5 ways. So here, A with the 5 ways, B, C, really weird ABC, but that's absolutely possible. So in that case, we can expect to be also in the A, B, C, D, E triangle here. Okay, I was also talking about this in the previous update, but that was not the more likely scenario. Now, these are some, I mean, we were approaching these possibilities by time we form waves, that was planet waves, possible planet waves we were aware of. Now, by time, there is some other possible scenarios that was not really more likely before. It was too early to talk about this. Now we can talk about these scenarios because, for example, here we was not was not sure that we was about to do that wave down. We was also possibly going to do a wave 5 here to push higher. That was really too early to say we are going maybe to do an ABCDE triangle. That was really too early, so that's why I was not talking about this. Now I'm talking about this because this is possible that we are going to do something like that because we have some more waves to the downside here. Triangle. Now if we are, as I said, in the wave 5, the ending, we are going to do simply an A, a B, and a C. So 5 waves, we're going to do the wave 4, 5, 4, 5, so finish the A. B wave with every single correction you can get, WXY, WXYZ, triangle, ABC flat, ABC zigzag, well, everything, triangle, and then in the C wave, 5 with impulsive or ending. Okay, now you are aware of targets, so we go more down, 123 here, okay. It's a target for the C. Now, if you have to go more down, we can look towards the 161 point here. Just here now. So yeah, we was just looking for that 161 point as I said before. 1, 2, 3 here of this wave 3 because that is the most common target. Okay. For that, yeah, you can just go on the website, go for free on the website. You will get all of this. How to find targets, how to place the extension tool, how to use the extension and retracement tool, how to place the retracement extension tool, which targets are the more likely one. You will get absolutely everything, to be honest with you, and some more beginner stuff on Elliott waves. But you will get all of this stuff for impulsive, for correction wave with the extension, retracement tool, extra. So to get to know all these targets. So yeah, it's free. It's absolutely free, and you will get further the time more course for you. I may be going to add some more content, for example, some VIP update I was doing. Maybe 5 months ago, like that. Now it's okay. That's you cannot really predict the next big move. To understand how you can analyze. If you are now already subscribed on the website, subscriber on the website, for example, a course subscriber or VIP, you already have all of these live analysis with hours and hours of data. I mean, of videos to watch to see with the mindset you have to get when you're doing some TA. The acceptance you have to get, how you can find smaller wave, how you can find bigger waves, all of this in a lot of videos, and I did that on a ton. I mean, on some crypto, SHIB, Sol, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. I mean, a ton of crypto, and you have all of the course you need on Elliott Wave plus ExoCharts. If you have Elliott Wave and ExoCharts, I don't understand how you cannot make money on the market. Really, I mean, you can see by yourself how perfect you can predict the market here, how perfect you can predict the bottom, how perfect you can predict the top here, and that top here. So before, if you watch in the prediction channel here, it's a bit high here. I mean, we was already talking about this in the previous update, but So exactly what we have done on the top here, because of because of patents, Elliott Wave patents, and yeah, Elliott Waves simply. That's all. Really, Elliott Waves. That's all. You really learn Elliott Waves. Maybe not on my website, maybe not with me, but maybe not only with internet, because sometimes there is some really bad advertisement. I mean, bad rules, clearly, that we have to update rules with the times. There is some bad stuff and completely wrong, so that's why, yeah, that's not really good on internet, but anyway. And if you watch at my videos for free, you will get further the time. Maybe today you're watching this video, and you're like, what the fuck is this? I don't understand anything. That's normal. The first time I watched a video, I was exactly like that, you know. You just watch again and again and again. Further the time, you're going to understand, and you're going to do it, and you practice on your chart, and you're going to absolutely become good. Simply, if you put an hour in your learning, I do not see why you cannot become profitable in trading and become a good analyst. Really, I don't know. You just put an hour in your learning. There is no any reason to not become good at trading. Really, really. But anyway. So I was with this wave, yeah, so most common target for a wave 3. Now I'm not saying that it's the bottom, there is still some target for a wave 3. For example, the 200% here. If we have to go more down towards the 200%, there is a 261 point here for the wave 3. That's why just watch on my free course on the website, and you will get absolutely every target I'm giving to you for an impulsive, for correction waves, absolutely everything to start your learning on Elliott Waves. So these are every single wave 3 target. Now normally if we check on the RSI, we are done with that, yeah, as I told you before. We have done the wave 1, 2, we have the wave 3 lowest return on the RSI, we are starting the wave 4 here. Normally we are done. Now if you have to push more down, here are targets for the wave 5, for the wave 3, okay? Now what we have to do to find a wave 4, because if we are in the wave 4, I'm not saying that we are in the wave 4, because if you remember good, we can be in a bigger triple correction here, okay? So to speak, a bigger correction here on an ABC and not a 5-way impulsive, and now we are going to do a wide leg to the upside. That's absolutely possible. Now if we are in these waves, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to do this for. What are we going to do here? We just add our retracement tool from the high to the low, from the low to the high, depending on if you reverse your tool or not. Okay, you're going to add the 23.6 and the 38.2. From here, these are going to be your target for the wave 4. Here, you're going to look for a short. That's all. And if there is a good direction, if you find your smaller wave count, you're good, and you take the short. You remove your emotion. You absolutely don't care. You trade what the market is giving to you. You trade the highest probabilities. That's all. You don't have to stress. You don't have to, oh my god, what I'm doing right now. If you're not sure about what you're doing, practice, pepper trade. And further the time, to enter a trade, you absolutely don't care, because you're pretty sure you're going to win the trade. And if you got stopped out, that's not a problem. You just think about the next trade, and you just not focus on your loss. Okay, you don't not focus on your loss. That's extremely important. By the way, I want to add something. There is no any financial advice in this video. Of course, I'm just here for educational proposal. I'm just here to teach you Elliott Waves. That's all. We are going to see patterns further the time, extra, but there is no any financial advice. For example, if I say you have to long here, okay, right here. No, first of all, I'm not going to say you have to long here. That's a paper trade plan, for example, but there is no long to take here, okay? If I one time share with you a setup, this is just for educational proposal only. There is no any financial advice here on this channel, absolutely not. Second, we do not, I do not predict the time, because I saw a lot, not in the previous updates, but I see a lot of time in comments. Oh my god, you place it, for example, your C wave here, your wave to bottom in 2024, for example. We do not predict time. We predict the price, yes, but not the time. For example, we can stop it here. We can stop it here, for example. We can do a big red dildo here. We can stop it here. We can predict. We can stop it here. It's just to place somewhere on the chart. The most important is the price. We don't care about the. We care about the date, because if we do that for 2 years, we do that for 2 years. But you cannot really predict that. You know, we can predict the price, but not really the time. Date. Okay, so it's not because I place it here, for example, here, that is going to be on this date that we're going to place out. No, I can place it here. I don't care. You know, it's just a price. Okay, that's something extremely important. With Elliott Wave, we do not predict. We can predict the date, but most of the time it's not really accurate. It depends really. But you predict more the price than the date. And here, for example, on the channel, I do not predict the date or the years or the yeah. Okay, I predict price, but not the dates. Anyway, let's come back on that. Now everything is clear. So now if we, so yeah, just to just come back on that wave here. First of all, to add the retracement on here, we on the wave 4, we have to know the wave 2 retracement we have done. What we have done here, a 61.66%, a bit more, but still. Okay, this is just rejected here, so that's absolutely valid. In a wave 2, as always, you have 73% to go between the 50 and the 61 point here. Okay, so after this kind of retracement, we expect the wave 4 to be smaller. So to do a 23.6 or a 38.2 here. Most of the time we go on the 38.2 here. These are the two targets here you're going to look for a show. Now keep in mind, we can absolutely, I'm not saying to show here, there is no any financial advice first of all. Okay, one more time. We can be absolutely, as I say, in a triple correction here, in a triple correction here. So in a bigger WXY or in a longer WX and Y to do a bigger triple correction here. That is absolutely possible too, okay? Or a triangle here, as I said before, okay? Now there is just a total possibility still. If we confirm this 5 ways, it will be more like, as I said, the ABC to the downside. I know there is a tons of things. If you're just start to learn Elliott Waves, do not give up now. You know, continue learning, hard work, keep watching. No worries, by the time you're going to understand absolutely everything. Yeah, I know it's complex at the beginning. I absolutely know that. It was the same for me at the beginning, but through the time, you're going to understand absolutely everything. Do not worry about that. And if you want to understand a bit better Elliott Waves, just go on the website, register for free, create an account for free here. You'll get 2 videos for basic Elliott Wave stuff, and then more, just to help you to place targets, to find targets, what are targets, for example, for an impulsive on the wave 3, on the wave 5, on the wave 2, on the wave 4, what are targets for the C wave, for a Y leg, for everything. Okay, you will get that. And further the time, I'm going to add more content for you for free members. Anyway, so now, yeah, for the wave 4 here, 23.6 or 38.2 here. So normally we expect more the price to come to the 38.2. So what we have to do here, for now it's a bit early to say that, but we just have to take our extension tool to find the wave 5. We just have to first click on the wave 1 root to the wave 1 bottom here. Third click on the wave 4 top. So for now, let's take the case, because that is the highest probabilities, that the wave 4 top is here. Now we can stop before, we can stop maybe higher. We have to find some confidence with that, okay? When we're going to do, and if we are in these 5 ways, first of all, because as I said before, I know I repeat myself, this is extremely important. If we are not in this ABC to push higher or to do a bigger triple correction, if we are in these 5 ways and we do this wave 4, this wave 5, we are going to expect, we are going to talk about targets, the price to come to the 100% here. Why? Simply because the first target of a wave 5 is a 61 point. When a wave 5 is truncated, so stop before the wave 3 top or do a double bottom or double top, if that's to the upside, this is less common to do. We have less chance to do that. So we expect the price, okay, to go to the next target. That's why most of the time the most common target is a 100%. Okay, so here the most common target is a 100% here. So that is, I'm not saying to long here, but this is the next possible opportunity to long. Now it's just about probabilities. It depends if we go a bit higher here, if we go stop before, if we stop on the 23.6, or we change by that. Okay, just have if we stop on the, or if we stop from here to add your 30 on the stop you're going to do, and you're going to be able to find your wave 5. Boom, lower that a bit here, 61 point right here, 100% of the wave 5 here, and here we go. You have your targets. Next target, I'm going to just add it back like this. I'm going to zoom a bit here to get this. Next target for the wave 5, 161.8. Okay. Next target for the wave 5, 261.8. This is a maximum target. Okay. So you have all of this to be clear. Okay. First target, second target, most common one and most possible stop here. Third one, fourth one. Okay. Now, if we do this 5 ways down, what can we expect? As I said before, we can expect to be in an A. So I'm going to take this low. Okay. Because this is the high internal probabilities inside a B and inside a C to be in the wave 5, or do a smaller wave, a smaller ABC here to be inside an A, B, C, D, E triangle. And here we go, break it down. We have the triangle here. Maybe, yeah, break it down, okay? So this is a plan. Now, as I said, we have to confirm if we're going to do this wave 4, 5 or not. Here, 4, 5. Or if we're just going to push higher from here and not do this wave 4, because that can be an ABC zigzag, and we don't have any wave 4 and 5 in an ABC zigzag, or in smaller wave inside the A and the C, but we don't have a wave any C, DE, for example. DE, no, that's a triangle. This is not an ABC zigzag, okay? So we don't have the wave 4 and 5. So if we keep pushing higher from here, that can be a bigger triple correction here, okay? Or if we keep pushing higher and higher and higher, that's a bigger triple wave here to the upside. That's all. Now you know what to expect if we push higher here. You know targets to look for. You know what we can expect should we push higher from here. If we stop around there, that's something, you know, maybe a bigger triple oh my god, what the fuck, bigger correction here. Okay, triple correction here. Yeah, you know absolutely everything. If we push higher and higher and higher, that's the double XY. If we, for example, form that ABC, that's maybe more this triangle here. If we stop here, for example, if we keep pushing more down, that's the that's the wave 5. Maybe, I mean, I'm going to update that, I think, since I'm going to update that for you, of course. I don't know. I will see. But yeah, I mean, yeah, now you're just aware of every single target for the wave 4 and 5. If we go a bit higher, just have to just move that a bit higher on the top we're going to create. If we push higher, maybe bigger double XY. If we push a bit higher, bigger double, or we're still in the X wave of the retracement or in the triangle. You have absolutely everything now. So now you're absolutely ready. The only thing you have to do here is just to find your trades on trees, to recognize when you have to enter or not. And as always, if you want to learn that, we are here to help you because we want you to become profitable in trading. I'm not, I mean, I'm alone, you know, to do that. So I'm going to be here to assist you, to answer your questions, to teach you Elliott Wave good and Exo charts to get better entries, better trade setups, better win rates simply. Okay, that's all. We just want you and more people to become profitable here at MOONCHARTS. That's really, really important. And more people that want that learn good Elliott Waves. Okay, that's the only reason why MOONCHARTS is here. And because I absolutely love trading and love teaching people about Elliott Waves, that's all. And Exo charts now. So yeah, as always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask that. Just right below in the description. Otherwise, you can absolutely join the Discord server. That is also right below in the description. Ask your question on the Discord server. Yes, that is in the description. Otherwise, you can just go in the comment section down below to ask all the questions. Otherwise, you can subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Smash the like button and turn oh my god, that's crazy. My end of the video is crazy. You can also turn on notifications if you want to get noticed. And yeah, as always, if you want to learn some really good content or get my training plans, such as all of these good prediction you can see here, that really, really insane here what we did. We bought the dip here, so I'm not saying that it's the bottom, but it's possible. Okay. You just have to go and watch for the VIP, look for the VIP here, and you will get absolutely everything with already 33 VIPs. Yeah, we're just pretty insane what we're doing at the moment. But anyway, so yeah, take care of you. That's important. Wish you all the best. Hope you're making some nice gains on the crypto market, not only on Bitcoin. Maybe you're trading some other ones. Tell me, let me know in the comments. And yeah, have a brilliant day, take care of you, and see you next time.